Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's GK session. Today we will start our new lesson number 11, books and literature. What is the meaning of literature here? Literature means writing in which expression and form in connection with ideas of permanent and universal interest are essential features as poetry, novels, history, biography, and essays. Okay, let's start. Literature is a group of works of art made up of words. Most are written, but some are passed on by word of mouth. What is the meaning of word of mouth here? Word of mouth means it is the passing of information from person to person using oral communication. For example, storytelling. Literature usually means works of poetry and prose. What is the meaning of prose here? Prose means written or spoken language in its ordinary form that are especially well written. Check for yourself how much aware you are about world literature. First one, who was the author of the famous storybook Alice Adventures in Wonderland? Here the correct answer is option C. What is the answer? Lewis Carroll. Okay, now second one, who wrote the famous novel Anand Math? Okay, here the correct answer is option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now the third one, who wrote Where Ignorance is Bliss, It is Folly to be Wise? Here the answer is option C, Shakespeare. Okay, now the fourth one, the autography of an unknown Indian is written by. The autography of an unknown Indian is written by. Here the answer is option C, Nirad C. Chaudhary. Now fifth one, in the book The Lord of the Rings, who or what is Bilbo? Here the option B is correct, Hobbit. Now the sixth one, what was the nationality of Robert Louis Stevenson? Robert Louis Stevenson, writer of Treasure Island. Here the answer is option A, Scottish. Now seventh one, who wrote the crime novel 10 Little Niggers? Here answer is Agatha Christie. Agatha Christie. Option C is the correct answer. Now eighth one, who is the author of the book Shadow Lines? Here the answer is option D, Amitav Ghosh. Amitav Ghosh. Okay, now ninth one. Who wrote the famous 1855 poem The Charge of the Light Brigade? Here the answer is option A, Lord Alfred Tennyson. Lord Alfred Tennyson. Now the 10th one. In which century were Geoffrey Chaucer's Canterbury Tales written? Geoffrey Chaucer's Canterbury Tales written. Here the answer is 14th century. Okay. Now let's move to our new lesson. Next lesson, lesson number 12, cartoon movies. Okay. Cartoons. You all know na? Very well. Cartoons are very important part of our childhood. It is very important part of our childhood. Cartoons not only entertain us, okay, not only entertain us, but also teach us many things. Cartoon teach us many things which help us to grow in the right way. Okay, now here look at the pictures of the top box office cartoon film hits and write their names. Here we have a picture of some cartoon movies. We have to use this clue corner and find the name of the cartoon movies. Okay students, now let's start. Look at this picture number 1. Here the picture number 1 is of cartoon movie Robin Hood. Which movie? Robin Hood. Now the second one, second picture. Okay, which cartoon movie is it? Aladdin. Okay, Aladdin. Now the third one, the picture of this cartoon movie. Okay, here the Toy Story 2. The movie name is Toy Story 2. Okay, now look at this picture. Here the cartoon movie name is Shrek. Okay, in fourth picture the name of the cartoon movie is Shrek. Now look at this picture number 5. The name of the cartoon movie is A Bug's Life. A Bug's Life. Okay, now the sixth picture. Look at this picture. The name of this cartoon movie in sixth picture is Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. Now seventh one. The name of this cartoon movie is The Lion King. The Lion King. Okay, now look at this picture number 8. What is the name of this cartoon movie? Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Now the ninth picture. What is the name of this cartoon movie? Monster Inc. Okay, Monster Inc. Now look at this corner. What is written over this corner? Snow White was the first movie. Snow White was the first movie to ever release a soundtrack. What is the meaning of soundtrack here? Soundtrack means a musical record. So Snow White was the first movie to ever release with a musical record. Okay students, thank you for watching video.